Guys, I just built this new Lego and but you can even pick it up by just the handle. Bro, I just built it. It is awesome. And whoever lives here, I'm gonna leave this out, okay? So if you find this video with this Lego gun at your house, well, you're lucky, I guess, because I'm just renting this place, you know? So I sleep in the top. Yeah, so if you live here, because we are staying here for vacation, then this might be your lucky Lego gun. So you can lift most of it by the back. You can lift it all the way up from the middle, fully up, and yeah, it's pretty reinforced. I don't think it's gonna fall apart anytime soon. I mean, unless you take it apart, but I mean, and it's not really something to just lift up and play with and that stuff. It just kind of sits on, just something to sit on your desk for something cool. You can, play with it, and you can have wars. Look at this. Can you guys see? No, you can see the cup handle. Okay, let me just. Okay, kind of, like this. And it's pretty light. I can lift it up with my pinky with it sideways. So, yeah.
I found the volume finally.
It's a Lego gun. You got the trigger. It doesn't actually work because I'm making no sense. So yeah, that's what I built. Not too long ago. I built a different one, but this one is reinforced with this. Right here, all the other stuff in here. A bunch of this got reinforced more. So it's a lot stronger now. So yeah.